Are you feeling the same problem as being motivated but not able to take actions? Yes, anyone can. Okay, we're gonna sort this problem out in this video. There are four parts of this video. First is knowing the problem, second one is solution, third is the now battle, fourth is action plan. All are very important, so go through them. The first is knowing the problem. Many times it happens we feel very motivated whenever we watch motivational videos and read some motivational books and listen to some motivational speakers and seminars. And what happened after that, we don't able to be take action, but at the moment we feel that we can move mountains. And sometimes it happens we keep wasting our time on these kind of things and we think these are productive. And in most of the people think that the FB, Insta, and gaming, WhatsApp, chatting with friends, these kind of things waste their times. But not. There are other things. Whenever we just keep storing information and don't use them, this is also a kind of wasting our time. The next is solution. Okay. Maybe you have heard of planning your day. If not, you should plan your day according to the difficulty of the tasks you have. Plan your day and keep them divided in small tasks. Don't go behind the people as the others say. Don't do like that. And the third part is the now battle. What is the now battle is, as I earlier mentioned, at the on the moment when we watch any motivational video we feel very motivated, but after that what happen, at the moment when we have to take action we all forget and we keep making excuses. And motivation doesn't make you success, but actions do. No matter you are motivated or not, but actions will make you successful. Okay, there is a graph. With the time you will be more productive, but you have to start from very small. With a small efforts you will going to a great success. Maybe I am the laziest person in the world, but I am very smart enough to make up my excuses and look them like a obvious reasons. But last few weeks I am following a plan and I'm going to share it with you. I like it very much and it resulted well. I want to improve my health, so I'm able to do around 30 push-ups in a row. But I decided to do not only one push-ups but be in the only push-up position for the first day. I woke up and I got into the push-up position, and I felt that I can do some push-ups, and I did 3 to 4. And the second day I targeted 2 push-ups and did 6. And as it the fifth day uh, I reached to the 2 sets of 8, but I did more. That is, so I wanted to clear that whenever we do go extra mile and do whatever we decided and we do extra, we feel an instant pleasure, like doing something extra, that we added something in our life, and like we saved our time. Okay, now go to action plans. Okay, in action plans, go slow at the first. Break your plans and goals into smaller, and try to plan your day a day before at the evening, and keep graph in your mind. Maybe you will not be achieve all of your goals on the first day or first few days, but it's normal. You can be. Okay, that's the point, guys. If you like the video, hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like the concept and want to keep watching these kind of videos.